Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. We'd love to watch out for it. So, last week we did analysis on gold. You can go back to go and watch it to confirm. I told you guys that we will be having a sell on gold. And exactly what's happened, we eventually had that sell, right? This is the sell that it has eventually given us. Now a pullback is currently forming, which I think it will come to level of 2054 probably, or maybe close to that level. So it will look something like this: a lower lows here, then a lower highs. Here will be seen as a lower lows. You can see here to be a lower highs. This is a lower low, so you can see it. Currently, a lower highs is still forming. So once this lower highs forms finish, then we should expect another drop, a new lower low. So basically, our bias is still to the downside. Our bias, our forecast on gold is still to the downside. Gold will still drop, but for now, there is a pullback that is currently going on, which is not is going bullish. So if you take a look at these movements here, we can see something like reversal movements, or you can see it like a change of character. First of all, we had a double top around this formation. You all know that a double top equals a reversal movement, and it was pushing up, then give us a double top, failing to break this highs multiple times. Then we had a lower lows. Here comes the lower highs. Here is the lower lows. Here is the lower highs. If you take a look at this, this is the lower lows, and here comes the lower highs. But there's one thing that market has done. It has given us a change of character, which took out this previous lower and lower highs. So we mark what market is the market will give us has given us a pullback. With what I'm saying, another push up is likely to be possible. Another push up is likely to come to this our previous double top level. Probably, I can't tell, but I'll give you guys an update. So with what market has done here, another movement to the upside is likely to happen. Another movement to the upside is very, 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 very possible. Now, for it to actually drop here, can it happen? It can actually drop. Do not let us have it in mind. Gold can actually drop, but the chances of it dropping is very, very rare. With the way its market moves, with the way it clear out these two lower highs here, you can see this previous lower highs, the way it clears it out, and we can see the massive bullish move. It's indicating that market is likely to push up to the upside. Now, when you go to your 1 hour time frame, take a look at this. This is the higher highs here, and here comes the higher lows. This is the higher highs. You can see it. Here comes the higher lows. So, like I said, another higher highs is likely to play out. So, watch out for it on gold for the week.